All right, we're gonna make creamy tomato basil chicken in the crock pot. If you have time, you can saute the onion and garlic beforehand. That's what I'm doing here. Start with olive oil, chop up the onion. You're gonna wanna cook it until it is translucent, and then chop up some garlic or use the jarred stuff. I dropped one of the damn cloves in the trash can, so we had to add the jarred stuff anyway, but this is what it looks like. Smells good. I feel like it helps the flavor if you saute it beforehand. You're gonna wanna dump that over the chicken. And then I used a can of whatever tomato sauce I could find. Then a can of diced tomatoes. Got that free with a coupon. Next, you're going to want to add about a cup of heavy whipping cream, or you can add more if you like whipping cream. I followed the recipe, so I did about half the carton. Dump as much Italian seasoning as your heart desires. And then I added red chili pepper flakes. This wasn't in the recipe, but my fiance likes spicy stuff, so I added a little bit here and then a lot of it later. I made it too spicy for me to eat, but he loved it. Then I'm going to add some bay leaves for extra seasoning. I still had organic thyme in the fridge, so we're just going to sprinkle some thyme stalks over that. You have to fish the sticks out at the end, but it's really not the end of the world. Anyway, I was admiring how beautiful this looks with all of my seasoning, and then I realized that I forgot one of the main effing ingredients, the damn basil, like the recipe is named after. I like to play with my food, so first I mix this up a little bit to get, the flavors blended together. Once I realized my error, this is my basil plant who is struggling. I gave him a haircut. You're supposed to cut the basil leaves up into ribbons, but at this point I didn't give a shit. Now I'm going to make noodles. This dish is in the crock pot for when my partner gets home from work. I want him to have a hot lunch and not have to do shit except heat it up. So I boiled him some penne pasta. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil over it so the noodles don't stick together. Also, because I am the most, I made him rainbow chocolate chips and I added rainbow sprinkles. After cooking for 4 hours, this is what the chicken and sauce looks like. I didn't have cornstarch, so I didn't add it, but you can add a tablespoon of cornstarch and it'll make the sauce thicker. To plate it, I actually chopped up the fresh basil, sprinkled it over the top. But this was pretty easy. It was delicious. I'm not even supposed to eat spicy food, and I couldn't put my fork down. Don't worry, I paid for it later. But anyway, please like and follow for more. Thank you. Have a great day.